so right. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave.
Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean a buffet chaffer. So make sure that you stay tuned. So this type of chaffer that I have here is a roll top. So this is how it closes, and then it opens like this. So I'm just going to show you guys today how to clean it properly. So as you see, this roll top has not been cleaned. You can see some stuff here, you know, it just really needs to be thoroughly cleaned, shined up. So I'm going to again show you how to do that, but you want to definitely make sure that the inside is always very clean, sanitized, let it air dry to kill any bacteria, get that old food smell out, and just so it's a nice clean chaffer for your next event. As you see here, the pan is wet, so I'm just going to take the paper towel now to really get the inside to make it clean and there's no dry spots or anything. And the most important thing to store these is to store them open like I have there. So you want to really scrub it if you have to. If you have a scrubber that works great, go ahead and grab that and start scrubbing. But the thing is, you really want to take your time to really clean these and make these presentable when you have your events, and not rush it, because your guests have to see this, and people want to see clean utensils, clean tools, so that way they know that their health is in good standing and it's not nothing like nasty, you know. So I'm going to dry this up some more, and then I will come back. But as you see, it already has like a little shine. But I'm going to put some shine polish, some stainless steel shine polish a little on top of here just to really shine it up. And then I will show you the end result. So I'm just going to continue drying with the paper towel. Just a little. Have it. You just want to open it back up so it can air dry inside.